Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. In this video you will see me try the following art challenge. Draw a hot air balloon with a lot of pattern. Pattern is when the elements of art repeat over and over, sort of like red square, orange circle, red square, orange circle. Patterns are a great way to decorate your artwork. Before we jump into patterns, it's important to draw our hot air balloon first. We can do this by making some simple shapes first. As you watch, call out the shapes and lines you see me making. You should see me make ovals, rectangles, triangles, a straight line, and a curved line. Once you have your hot air balloon drawn and outlined, it's time to add pattern and color. You might also think about a background too. Is your hot air balloon resting safely on the ground or flying freely in the air? While you watch this time lapse of myself adding color and pattern to my hot air balloon, try to count how many different patterns you can see me make. Remember that this challenge is to make a lot of patterns in your drawing. You've seen my attempt and now it's your turn to try. This can be a doodle or a masterpiece, but either way, happy making artist and enjoy.